Okay, good morning. Today we're going to see how to activate the students for exams. Most of the time the counselor calls up and says, sir, student is there, I'm not able to give exams, and the exams are not visible to the students. They say data not available, all that. So in such cases, what you have to do, how to activate the exams. First and foremost thing is log into your Xenox. Okay, go to an option called as examination. Under examination, go to exam schedule. Now, for a student, what exam is not visible? Let's say take an example that tally exam is not visible to a student. So I'll say tally level 1. Let's say level 1 is not visible. So I'm using the filter, searching for that exam, selecting the exam. Once you select it, click on the option called as edit. Okay. So once you click on the option edit, it's going to take you to another screen. Okay. So now you have seen the screen, it has changed. Now use the scroll bar, come down. Here you can see these names are not selected. That is why the student exams are not visible. So whenever you do that, go to examination, exam schedule, select and checkbox this option. So now if you checkbox this, you can see all tick marks have come. Okay, disable, enable. Once you say all tick marks, then go to the top and then say save. You have a save button, save it. Now the exam will be visible to the student. Similarly, I want to go for, let's say, level 2. Exams are not visible for level 2. So I'll say tally level 2 selected. And on the top, I'll click on the edit. Once you say edit, it takes to another screen. Scroll bar down. You can see here, Saeed Anjum Ali. He cannot take the exam because tick mark is not there. Okay. So you have to remove the tick mark, activate. So all tick marks for all students should be visible. Then go to the top and click on the save button. So this way, you will be able to conduct the exams to each and every student. Okay. Only thing is, go to exam schedule, make sure the exams are visible. If the exam is not visible here, then you have to tell me. If exam is visible here, go select it. Let's say tally level 3, edit, go down. See now, Saeed Anjum here also cannot take the exam. Select all. Now he'll be able to take the exam. Okay. So this is how you have to activate and conduct your exams. Thank you.